Annette Green here, Special Projects Designer for Graphic 45 and Ambassador, talking about my annual holiday workshop coming up this November. This is 2019. This is my last one that I'm going to host. Getting ready to downsize, talking about maybe changing locations, things like that. So not sure where I'm going to be next year exactly. So I'm going to say this is my last one for a while. So what it is a huge all-day event. Lunch is included, and we make a whole bunch of goodies with Graphic 45 Christmas paper, whatever the collection is that particular year. This year, it's the beautiful Joy to the World collection. And all day long, we make all this stuff. So I thought I would share with you what we're going to do this year. And if you're able to, like I said, Graphic 45, Joy to the World, beautiful collection, very much an angel themed this year. So we used the regular collection in there. And then, of course, I used the compatible Joy to the World Patterns and Solids pad in the 12 by 12 as well. And we use Joy to the World chipboard, Joy to the World tags and pockets, pockets and tags, however you like to call them. Those are great. We use the coordinating journaling and ephemera cards for Joy to the World. And we use every single one of these, I believe. Those are great for cards, and I'll show you why. We use a regular ivory tag set. We're actually going to use 4, so we don't use the whole package. There's 9 in here. And then, just for embellishment, I incorporated these lovely Prima flowers in these 2 different sizes on the cards and tags, and then also the coordinating self-adhesive embellishments. This is also by Prima, Christmas in the Country line. So they coordinated beautifully with Joy to the World. All right, let's take a close look at what we're going to be making here. So everybody makes 10 5x7 large greeting cards, and I'll just give you a really quick peek. The inside is always the other side of the journaling and ephemera cards that coordinate with the paper, and then the fronts are fairly simple, but we always use like a flower accent and a couple of those gems like you saw in the papers. And so they're very easy cards to finish. These 2 are very similar. Maybe the background paper's switched up, or maybe the inside paper is a little different, but the basic layout is the same. So there's one card set, and then you can see how these 2 have a similar layout, but they're slightly different than one another. And of course, they will have journaling and ephemera cards in there, and some pockets and tag stuff, and stickers and stuff. 2 tall cards. And I didn't mention, but these are from Petaloo, and I've had them forever and ever. I over-ordered many years ago, so I use them every year at the holiday workshop, and I think I might get through them this year. We'll see. So there's these 2 tall cards. And then we're back to a horizontal style card. Similar insides. And then one more horizontal card, same layout, like I said. This one again uses the little velvet holly leaves. And this one has one of those pretty Prima flowers. Okay, so there's that. In addition, they will do 2 little gift boxes. These can be for a little party favor, a small gift, candy, home-baked item, something like that. This is a Lori Whitlock file cut on my Cricut machine. Very simple and easy to do, tied off with pretty May Arts ribbon, which you'll see all the ribbon and twine here is May Arts goodness. Another little Lori Whitlock file is this hexagon box, which we have lined with the paper, and has a cute little lid with the chipboard and a ribbon. So they'll make 2 little gift boxes. And then they make 4 gift card holders. And believe it or not, this is a gift card holder, but look in there. There's 5 little chocolate kisses in there. Isn't that cute? This is a Lori Whitlock file too. I just love her stuff. It has a little opening over here where you can slide out the kisses. And this is where the gift card is, in here. So you make just a simple little card, and I put a little ribbon on the end so it's easy to pull out of there, but you can see that little notch is built into the SVG file. And I just use a glue dot to stick my gift card on there and slide it in, and then chipboard. And this one is very similar, just a different piece of chipboard and a different gift card, of course, and a little slightly different papers. And the kisses are in there too. So those are cute, right? And so that's 2 gift cards holders out of 4. And so this one is by Eileen Hall. This is a die. I'm gonna have to go grab it and tell you the name. Hold on. Okay, it is called Gift Card Folder and Label 2. And this is what the packaging looks like. So again, it's by Sizzix, Eileen Hall. I love Eileen's dies as well. So it's really a cute die to use for a lot of reasons, but I made it into a little sweet Christmas gift card holder. So part of that die is this tag, has this little tab top to it, and then it's, if you glue it just right along the edges and the top, then you can actually kind of wedge a gift card in there and it holds. So that's kind of cute. And then a little flower to trim it out. And then just to fill it out, because this is kind of like a little, almost like a little flat box. It's not quite a flat envelope. It's more of a little box. You could hang this off of a door, but I added a little fancy chocolate in there just to kind of fill it out. I think that would be cute. And then of course the chipboard and the gems to accent it. So this one's made out of just a little bit different paper, but the same idea. So cute, right? So they're gonna make 2 of those. Okay, and of course we have to have tags at Christmas time. I think that's what we need most of all, besides wrapping paper for the holidays. So they are gonna make 4 large gift tags, and this is the Graphic 45 tags I showed you earlier, just the regular ivory tags, and all this beautiful May Arts ribbon. And of course, little cut aparts and chipboard and flowers. And of course I had to use the die, the Graphic 45 die for the regular tags to make easy work out of cutting those background papers. So these are 4 different styles with the beautiful images from the paper. So they'll make 4 large tags, and then they're going to make 20 small tags. And so the tags are very simple: cardstock, paper, stickers, little twine and ribbon. So this would be considered sort of one themed set of 5. They all have this little punched oval to write the to and from, but just decorative and pretty with stickers and just a little bit of paper. Just like these, cute little tags. Cut these on the Cricut as well. Just use a simple cut apart. And this is from the paper. One of the papers in the 12 by 12 paper collection actually has these square cut aparts. There are 4 of them, and they say 4, and then there's a little banner in here. So it's like ready to go pop on a tag. They all say it. Now, because I did 5, I used a piece of chipboard for the 5th one. So they'll just have to write to and from up in this area. But there's those. And then we got these sweet little round ones that have a little gold tassel twine at the bottom. And I just used a circle punch, and this is one of the paper collections, one of the pages in the collection. I backed it with some ivory just to make it nice and sturdy and not too flimsy. And then use those gems on the top, different colors. But aren't they cute? And you can write to and from on the backs of these or up in some open space. Really cute. So there's 5 of those. And then last but not least, the tags and pockets. I love using the Graphic 45 pockets and tags to make tags because, I mean, they're great on layouts and cards and stuff, but as actual tags on a present, they're very unique and special and layered, and you can really dress them up. So little extra special tags. These could be on a gift, of course, or they could actually be hanging off of a gift, like, I don't know, a bottle of wine, a box of chocolates, rather than a wrapped gift, like a hostess gift if you're going to a holiday party, something like that. So nice layers. And then this one here has the gem in the little pocket. So really cute, right? All right, so that's everybody. And the details of the workshop going to be taught in Florida, near my home in Melbourne, Florida. It is a Saturday all day, November the 9th. I believe we're starting at 11 this year. All the details are on my blog. And like I said, lunch will be included. And here's everything again that they're going to do. And we have prizes all day long. We have giveaways. We have music playing. We have goodies and snacks. And Graphic 45 has already said that they will donate a big prize pack as the grand prize. So I'm very excited about that. Anyway, that's my holiday workshop. And oh, just in case you happen to notice this gorgeous triple wrap bracelet that I have here. This was made by a friend of mine. I met her through her sister, who they run Crafters Therapy Cruise, Donna Fortuna and Sharon Green. Well, this is Sharon's sister. So Sharon and her sister Suzanne have an Etsy shop, and it's called Ray Renee Design. I'm going to put the link so you can click right to it and not lose your way. I'll put it down in the description. But she has such nice stuff in there, you guys. Triple, I think she's working on some double wrap, and she has single wrap with a big gorgeous bead on the front. She's adding more to the store this week, so I'm super excited to see what else she comes up with. But just in case you happen to notice it and liked it and wondered where I got it, that's where I got it from. And I'm a big fan of my Apple Watch, and I change my bands all the time, so I like to coordinate the two of them. So anyway, for what it's worth. All right, well, that's it for me today. Holiday workshop, 13th annual and final, as far as I know. I hope to see you there. We have a few spots left. I've been talking with local people, and it's I think I've got like 6 spots left, and I'm only allowing 36 this year. So if you're interested, I will give you the link below on how to register and anything else you might want to know. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like the projects, and have a great day.